Hello, this video will cover how to use OVCLI as a Docker format. So pretty much on any Linux or Mac or Windows, if you have a Docker installed, you can just do the to pull the image from the repository. So so the image is about 10 uh, 10 megabytes. Uh, let's take a look. So it's about 10 megabytes, and if you we can just to tag it to make sure, to make it the format simpler to rename it. So right now I have two Docker image with a different tag. And from this moment, the next step you need to create a login credential file. So already have one created. So the format is it's kind of YAML format. You can name the file whatever you want, but pretty much it's IP address, username, and the password. If you have a special character in the password field, just use a double quote uh, um, to code it. So I already have the one file created. So to run the Docker OVCLI tool as Docker format, you can just make sure you can. Okay, let me make sure got it right this time. Okay, Docker run. So you need to mount your whatever volume you from your local host has this credential file into the Docker image home directory. This is a Docker image file, and this is the command to to have the OVCLI to load the credential configuration file. So we'll do that. So you can see, actually, I made a mistake. I should expect to have a dash F to load the file, so the error message will give the clue. So I'll just make sure I correct my syntax. It will mention the file already created. You can just use the login to show to make sure it's the same one as the one you defined. And if you want to verify for the OVCLI to remote login to the Synergy OneView compliance, you can do the verify. Okay, so now it's coming back with the API version is a 500. That's kind of the same thing as a OneView 3.1 version. So from this moment, you don't have to do login again. You can keep using the same credential. You can do the show network, and the show profile, server profile. So from the whatever show commands you want. So the OVCR will keep using the same credential file uh, every time to log into the OneView appliance. You just need to make sure you need to keep the volume mounted, or you can create your own Docker file, build from this image, add your own um, login credential into your own Docker image using Docker file.